Hello guys, if like us, you've been experiencing some glorious sunshine like we have in the UK, I've taken a moment to devise a little summertime EDC kit that you could wear with your shorts and flip-flops. Now, what have I got? Let's take a look. Numero uno, the sunglasses. Yeah, I'm not going to show them, we all know what they are. They protect your eyes from that big light bulb in the sky. You ain't got a pair of these in summertime, you're doing it wrong. Right, number two. Normally I'd have a strap on, but seeing as I've got a biological strap on, I've got this for you instead. Okay, you can attach it to your belt and you can obviously put it like normal around you. Yeah, you get the idea. In here, little canister, I put some sun cream, because unfortunately I'm of a lighter complexion. Yeah, so when it comes to sunshine, there's a chance I could get burnt. Also, I'm follically challenged, so a little bit of this on top of your head keeps you covered. Right, let's have a look inside. I've got a notepad and pen. Maybe you want to jot down the local ice cream vans, the local swimming pools, or anything else you could use in this brilliant weather. Right, that was a bit of a struggle to get out there. Now, the pry bar. We all know what they're for, yeah? Helping with your little tins, jars, paint tins, whatever. Yeah, always useful. The torch. Yes, it is summer, but if you stay out a bit too long, yeah, find your way home in the dark if you need to, or finding those items, it's always useful. Now this one, little knife from a company in the UK called Whitby. Yeah, very simple, just little blade, non-locking, and then you've got an extra screwdriver slash pry tool there. I'll show you that. Okay guys, nice little tool, cheap and cheerful, does the job. Yeah. Right, what else have I got? I've got the multi-tool. Yeah, Leatherman style CS. I've shown you all before, yeah. Scissors, I love a pair of scissors on a multi-tool, a little blade, a few other little features, tweezers, little flathead screwdriver. Yeah, all you need in a little multi-tool. Great bit of kit. Right, what else? A mirror. Sometimes I like to have a look at this little handsome face of mine. So, you know, maybe you get something in your eye or whatever, like I said before. Carry a mirror. Right. I'll swap this, put this on my keys now. It's the Outdoor Element carabiner. Yeah, maybe walk along this hot weather. We see someone stuck in a car, a dog maybe, whatever. Yeah, you can help them out. Put it on there. Got a little glass breaker on the end. Bang, you can get them out. Yeah. Right, we've got this. That's for seat belts. Yeah. Cut it open. You've also got various other, like hex bit driver or other little bits and bobs, and probably a cool little feature. If I can do it. Oh, there we go. The ability to make a spark. Yeah. If you want a nice little gadget, there you go. Finally, from this section, yeah, it has been hot. Maybe outside, nice bottle of fizzy drink or alcohol if you're lucky enough. Little Coca-Cola bottle opener, yeah, just for cool points really. I liked it. That's enough about that. Oh, magnetic on the back, so you can stick it on your refrigerator. Right then, to the inside. It's hot out there. Remember to drink water, yeah? I think it's 90% of our body made of water. It's always useful for us human beings. Yeah, so take someone out with you in the sunshine. Yeah. Don't fall down and make people have to come along and pick you up. Next up, little foldable, packable hat for the sunshine. Yeah. Like I say, I'm follically challenged. Yeah, so pop this on my head, stop me getting heat stroke or whatever else. Finally, I've got this little tube material bandana thing with a nice little pattern on it. Yeah. Various uses. You could turn it into a hat, you could soak it in water, wear it on your head, or you could just damp yourself down in this hot weather. You could clean screens with it for your phone screen, for example, if you're making wonderful little videos like this one. And that's about it for today. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you all very much. EDC Disciples, till the next time.